Hi guys, welcome to my new video. I'm Shubhankar with you. In this video, I'll show you how you can log a serial data into CSV or text file, right? So without further delay, let's get started. Okay, so first I have to upload the sketch into my Arduino board, Arduino Uno board, right? So my upload is almost done, right? Okay, let's open the serial terminal. So after opening serial terminal, I can see the log data, right? But the problem with the Arduino serial terminal is that you cannot save your data into CSV or text file, but you can copy your data into a separate text file. That's not the that's not our point. We will save our data into CSV or text file directly, right? Okay, for doing this we need a software. The software name is CoolTerm. The CoolTerm software is actually very cool. So just download the Windows version of the CoolTerm. Okay, I have to download it first. Okay, just wait for the download to complete. Okay, my download is complete now. So the good point about the CoolTerm software is that you don't have to install the software. So the software is a portable version, and just you have to extract the software. After that you will use the software. Okay, just open the software. Yeah. Okay, this is the CoolTerm software. So I will capture my serial terminal data from this CoolTerm software. So for doing that, before you have to close all the serial terminal that you opened up in Arduino IDE. Just close it, right? And after that you have to go to the option window, and here you will find the serial port selection option, right? So in our case, our Arduino is connected with the COM4, right? So just have to select the COM4, and baud rate is 9600, and rest of the parameters are okay, and that's it. And after that you have to go to the connection. Okay, just go to the connection. Okay, I have just maximized the windows, and go to the connection, and you will find the option capture to text or binary file, and that's very important. So we will just press start, and after pressing start you will find the option to save your file, right? Okay, then I will save my file here, and I will name after the file serial data.txt. Okay, that's okay. Now if I just press connect, my data will be logged using the CoolTerm, as well as my data will be saved in the text file, right? And that's a good thing about the CoolTerm. Think about a project. You are doing a project and you have to log a data for 1 or 2 days or 3 days. Think about you are just debugging your project, or debugging a serious issue or serious bug. So by this way you can log your data in text file. After you will get the text file, you can analyze the data. Where is my fault? How can I improve my firmware or Arduino firmware? So I think this is a good point. And another point you can do that, you can just open up your text file using Excel. So I will show you later in this video. Okay, just okay, I think that's enough data to analyze, right? And so first you have to disconnect the serial terminal, or after that you have to stop capturing, right? So just stop capturing. Okay, and now I will go to the desktop and serial log. So here's my data, right? So yeah, right, that's my data. So now I have my data in text file. So what I will do, I will just open this text file from Excel. Okay, I already opened up the Excel so that I can show you this demo. Just open, and you have to go to the open. After that you have to browse the file, and just before that I have to copy the file location, right? Just copy the file location, Control C, and then after that I will press browse. Okay, now this point is important, because you have to show Excel that this is your delimiter, right? So just select the delimited data, and after that press next. And what is the delimiter? In our case we used comma to separate one data point to another. That's why you have to select comma. So if you prefer tab in your data, or semicolon any, or space, you can select that, but for me it's comma is good enough. Okay, after that press next and finish. So now your text data, you have imported your text data into Excel file, so that you can log your data and visualize your graph data into a graph, right? So I will plot data now, just wait. and insert and in recommended graph I just prefer recommended graph. Okay, I think that's not a good point because there is a noise for the first data. Just delete this one, just delete from the first row. In your case maybe you will not feel or you will not just measure noise. Just write and insert and recommended chart, and now you will see that this is your log data, right? Okay, so you can plot your data, you can analyze your data, and now you can save your data in any format you want from Excel. So that's a good point about capturing data using CoolTerm, right? And just browse, and after that you can select CSV format, right? I think yeah, CSV format is good. Okay, nice. Now you have saved your data into CSV format, and now you can okay, now you can see your data from CSV format. Okay, I want to show you another trick. Okay, let's get started again. Just clear this one. Okay, and start capturing data. Okay, this time I'll name the file after okay, test2. Okay, and just connect. You see, and now your data is capturing, right? So your data is capturing text ts.txt2. Now I would open this file using the actual Sublime Text software. You see, now you see Sublime Text is also updating data in real time. Okay, that's a good point. You can if you don't like the CoolTerm, GUI, I think Sublime Text GUI is more flexible. So yeah, okay, that's cool thing. And that's all about our today's video. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get notification of new video. And don't forget to support me on Patreon. And if you feel that making a video is it need a lot of effort, you can support me on Patreon as well as in Coffee. And also if you have any question or if you have any suggestion regarding future video, just comment comment under the video. Okay, thank you very much.